Electronic or electrical enclosures for outdoor or marine environments are designed to keep rain or washed-on water from damaging the electrical components inside. If dust gets inside of these enclosures, it can also cause cooling systems to clog up and allow components to overheat. Manufacturers of these types of products need a standardized method of determining the effectiveness of these types of enclosures at resisting water and/or dust ingress. The standard test method which is used for these ratings is called IEC 60529, and the measure which results is called an IP rating. An IP rating consists of two numerals. The first numeral of a rating defines the dust rating. The second numeral defines the water rating. Rating numerals for dust go from 0 for no protection through to 1 to 4 for resistance to small object ingress, and progress all the way to 6 for a dust-tight enclosure. Water ratings run from 0 for no protection to 8 for indefinite immersion. For object ingress, standard-shaped objects are used to probe the outside of the enclosure to determine if the object can enter the enclosure. For dust ingress, the enclosure is subjected to a standardized dust environment for a specified time period. Specifically for the IP6X dust rating, the inside of the enclosure itself is also placed under a vacuum, while the exterior of the enclosure is held within the dust environment. Once the dust exposure is completed, the enclosure is opened and the interior examined for evidence of dust ingress. The water ingress rating, IPX1, simulates water dripping onto the enclosure from directly overhead of the enclosure. The rating gets successively more severe, going from slightly angled dripping water to a lighter spray, splashing, water jets of increasing intensity, and finally to complete immersion. Once completed, the enclosure receives a 2-numeral IP rating, with each of the numerals defining the best ingress protection which the enclosure was able to achieve.